Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Know your tank volume and current water chemistry, because dose depends on both. Measure pH and any manganese or iron levels, then compute a potassium permanganate target of about 1 to 3 mg per liter. Use that to calculate grams needed for the whole tank. Put on gloves, goggles, and a respirator. Lay down trays to contain spills. Once done, dissolve the solid in water to make a stock solution, stirring until uniform before adding slowly. You will now dose the tank with care. Introduce the diluted potassium permanganate near the inlet while the circulation pump runs to ensure even distribution, because local hot spots can stain or over-oxidize materials. Monitor oxidation reduction potential and watch for a light pink to faint purple tint. This indicates residual permanganate. Maintain circulation for 30 to 60 minutes so reactions complete, and do not exceed the calculated dose. Have sodium bisulfite. You finish by letting oxidized particulate settle for 12 to 24 hours. This gives time for manganese and iron to form insoluble oxides. Once settled, slowly drain and backwash or flush the tank until the effluent is clear and there is no pink tint. Make sure pumps, filters, and outlets are clean. If you detect persistent staining, strong odor, or a lingering purple color, test for residual permanganate and apply small amounts of neutralizer while monitoring sensors to avoid overcorrection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.